Hi everyone, and welcome back to the AgenticFlow channel. In this episode, we are using Codex together with the AgenticFlow CLI to build a financial transaction tracker pack in just a couple of minutes. Let me set the scene. Every business runs on a stream of transactions in money in, money out across cards, payroll, cloud bills, and the occasional vendor nobody quite recognizes. Individually, each row is boring. So together they are where problems hide a duplicate charge and an unfamiliar vendor, an outflow that is bigger than it should be. Catching those usually means someone scrolling a bank export line by line, which nobody enjoys and everybody rushes. So we are back with this blueprint turns that you're into a structured review. Here you can see the prompt we are giving to Codex. We ask the AgenticFlow CLI to deploy the financial transaction tracker pack blueprint, and we handed a small batch of transaction rows to a AWS cloud bill, a Stripe customer payout, a payment to an unknown vendor, and a payroll run. So we are out to spell out the then tracking policy in plain language. We ask it to categorize each transaction as income, payroll, software, cloud, or unknown. So next, we ask it to flag any unknown vendor over $500 and any single outflow above $10,000 that act with Codex, and we ask it to draft review notes in the style you might drop into Notion or Telegram decks. And we are explicit about a boundary. It must not claim that any Gmail, Notion, Telegram, bank, or accounting action actually happened. It is analyzing and drafting, not touching your system's decks. We are back. We then ask it to deploy the workflow, run it once, and show the summary, the classified transaction table, the risk flag six, and then in the review note draft six. When we run it, Codex reads the prompt, deploys the workflow on AgenticFlow, and runs it once. Let me walk through what comes back. It enter first a short summary of the batch. We're back with GEC, then a classified transaction table where every row is tagged into its category, so the shape of your spending is instantly visible. And next come the risk flags, and notice they follow the exact thresholds we set. So occur the unknown vendor over $500 gets called out, and the large barge payroll outflow is surfaced for a second look. I are back with Codex, finally a clean review note draft written in the way a human reviewer would, ready to paste into your channel of choice. Notice the transformation here. We're back with code. You start with a raw, undifferentiated list of transactions, and you end with a categorized ledger, a short list of things worth a human's attention, with every and a note that is ready to send. So we David is the difference between having your transactions and actually reviewing them. And back with to use this yourself, you will first need the AgenticFlow CLI installed. Our earlier videos walk through the setup if you have not done it yet. And while we are using Codex in this episode, the exact same prompt works in Claude Code or other coding agents, so use whichever you prefer. So after we were one nice detail, the blueprint prioritizes AgenticFlow's built-in node, so it only consumes AgenticFlow credits when it runs. Back with Codex, once it is finished, we can jump over to AgenticFlow and review the entire workflow visually, confirming every step was built correctly. Back feed, you can see exactly how the transaction rows flow through each node to produce the classified table and the flags. Here is why this matters at scale. Justifies reviewing one batch is as that at a workflow, but a workflow applies the same policy to every batch means nothing slips through because someone was tired on a Friday. Whether the thresholds are written down, applied consistently, and the review note practically drafts itself. We can encourage you so would urge you to try this with your own transaction rows and your own tracking policy. As again, adjust the thresholds, add categories, and tune the tone of the review note to your team. A queer of it, hunting with thanks. Next, so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more, and we will see you in the next one.